My name is Robin Daniel and I am R&D manager at Spiralex LLC. The most important thing that I love working in Spiralex is the teamwork, the opportunity to grow, and I always love people who support me, and I have been supported by a lot of my teammates. So I started as a designer drafter 4 years ago, and later down the road I have helped my team here to design a lot of new machines. ESG stands for environmental social governance. I think it's a great move by a lot of companies that have joined together to bring about a real change in how the companies deal with the environmental, social, and governance needs of the people, and for the environment and for the planet as well. While working here, I worked with the VRU design, and most important part of the VRU design that I liked is doing the PLC programming, and that is compatible with ESG.cloud. ESG.cloud is the governance part of the ESG, where customers who are using our machines can be accountable, and that will definitely help them to reduce the emissions. I would definitely welcome anyone who wants to work here, because it's fun to be working with this company, because it does not matter at what stage of knowledge that you come up with, but ultimately in 1 or 2 years you'll be definitely a knowledgeable person and helping out the company with new designs, new ideas, new knowledge, and that's really new opportunities and new ideas are always welcome in the team. So I see myself growing in next 5 years, and I am pretty much sure that I will be working with Spiralex LLC, because this is the place to push new boundaries and to learn new things, and I definitely like that.